Hey everyone, I'm Jerry James Stone and I'm going to show you how to make a really fun Christmas appetizer. If you love avocado toast, this is, well, avocado toast, but we're going to turn it into a Christmas tree. It's going to be a lot of fun. Just cut into the avocado. Just go around the perimeter there. You want to do it lengthwise. Twist and turn. Use a towel if you're uncomfortable with it, but like I said, it's really about being safe. So people actually do go to the emergency room for doing it the wrong way. So just give it a nice whack and then just twist the pit, comes right out. Okay, so we cut up our avocados. Now we need to mash them up. Something I like to do if I'm gonna mash avocados, before I even scoop it out, just take the spoon and kind of cut it into slices. Just makes it a little easier to work with when you're actually mashing it in the bowl. And just scoop all that out. Just gotta do each one. Avocados is one of my favorite things. If you are watching this on YouTube, Facebook, or if you go to my website, you'll find avocado margaritas, avocado popsicles. Okay, so all of the avocado is scooped out and it's ready to be mashed up. I got my trusty masher, now we're gonna mash. Okay, so I'm just mashing up my avocado. Usually I don't actually mash the avocado before I put it onto avocado toast. I actually mash it on the toast. Almost there. Okay, that's looking pretty good. Now we're gonna put in just a little bit of lemon juice. The only reason we're doing that is because we're making this Christmas tree of avocado toast. And anyone that's ever used an avocado knows they love to turn brown as soon as they can. So to prevent that oxidization, we're using just a little bit of lemon juice. So not the kind of amount that you would use in guacamole, but just a little bit to keep it from browning as we work with the avocado. And just go ahead and mix that in. Super, super tasty. I'm very excited for this recipe. You know what, I'm gonna add a pinch of salt too, just because. So I've mashed the avocado, step one. Now we need toast because you can't have avocado toast without it. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my trusty toaster here, which I really like, by the way. I just love the way it looks and the way it works. Go ahead and toast that and wait for that to happen. So our toast is done. So I'm gonna take that out. And now we're gonna get ready to cut it into squares. Super simple. Okay, so now we're gonna build our Christmas tree. This is the fun part because you take the avocado that you made, the mashup, and the toast, and put it all together for something really festive and tasty. So take your little tiny toast triangles, and we're just gonna spread a little bit of that mashed avocado, just kind of getting it all around, fully covering the triangle, and just lay it out on the platter that you wanna serve it on. Just do that and rinse and repeat. Spread it out there, and lay it down. And just keep doing that over and over and over. We're almost done. Just a few more, I guess, branches, if you will. Put the avocado on there. It's really hard to not eat this while I'm doing it, but I want to be a good host, so I'm going to make my full tree as I promised. This is just a great little last-minute holiday appetizer. It doesn't take not many ingredients. Super fast, super festive, and tasty, right? Looks fun, it tastes as good as it looks, and it's not hard to make. And it's healthy. How many times can you say that during the holidays? Now I'm gonna make a little tiny star from the top. I'm actually gonna use untoasted bread for that one, just to have a little bit of a diversity in color and texture. Looks great. Place that in here. Okay, so we made our star. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of the toast crust, the crunchier part, to make the tree trunk. Probably gonna need a few different pieces to pull that off to get the trunk. And I'm just gonna lay those here. So I'm setting my Christmas tree to the side, and now we're gonna make our ornaments. Just gonna cut these cherry tomatoes in half. Mix it up. Got different colors. And one for the chef. This is such a fun appetizer. I think the holidays They're always filled with like so many get-togethers and parties. Sometimes you want something just really quick as a snack or something really healthy. And this can be either, right? Like it can be something that you put out as an appetizer, or it can be something that you serve as with brunch just to kind of get your day going. You know, it's avocado and whole wheat bread. So super tasty, super healthy, and this time of year, super needed. Okay, I got my ornaments going. I think it's time to decorate our tree. This is gonna be the easiest time you ever had dressing a tree. And now we're just gonna decorate our tree. Put all the little ornaments on. Mixing it up. And just keep adding on those ornaments. Super easy. Another fun thing that you could do, if you wanted to do like a string of popcorn, you could add in a little bit of like crumbled feta to use as a string of popcorn, really making it fun and festive. There we go, second to last one. This is the tastiest time I've ever had trimming a tree. There we go, avocado toast Christmas tree, right? Fun little festive appetizer. Not too bad, right? A few slices of bread, avocado, some lemon, some cherry tomatoes, pinch of salt, and mix it all up, toast it, smear it on, chop it up, bam. Maybe I shouldn't say bam, maybe that one's trademarked. And you have a great, amazing, healthy appetizer, snack, whatever, perfect for the holidays. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every week, so please subscribe. And if there's something that you wanna see, hey, you know what? Drop a comment below. I always wanna know. And have a very, very happy holiday. I'll see you guys next time.